Hey, it's Jeff Lundblad again with Family Legacy Estate Sale. We're continuing to open bins from this enormous collection that we've obtained. So if you like the videos, watch us on Facebook or our YouTube channel. Everything that you see that we take out of the bins will be for sale on our website, www.familylegacyestatesale.com. So let's just jump right in and see what we got in this bin. And right on top, we've got a probably 95 Micro Machines Star Wars 3-pack. Very nice. And we've got a Pee Wee Herman sealed in package. I guess it was made by Matchbox. This is from 1988. That's a neat little piece. As you know, Paul Rubens passed away a number of years ago. I've got a video on my channel as well on how to remove stickers like this with a blow dryer. So when you do get some of these vintage figures with price tags on them, that can be removed without damaging the cardboard. What else do we have? We have WWF Rumble ring fighting game. The Road Warriors are in here. British Bulldog, Jerry the King, Lawler, all in original packaging from 1997. Very different. And we have a carded figure here. And I'm not sure what this is, but he's got it in bubble wrap and with a cardboard backing. Captain Planet. And this is from 1991. Very cool, very neat. I'll have to do some research on that. I'm not familiar with the Captain Planet line. Power Rangers Zeo. We have a Goldar figure. Very nice. Now we have another carded figure wrapped in bubble wrap. And this looks like it's from the 1989 Batman movie with Michael Keaton. Dark Knight collection, and yeah, well, 1990, but mint on card. Very nice. And we've got the Crypt Keeper from Tales from the Crypt. So that's very nice as well. Love that show. And when was this from? Okay, well, I don't see the year on it, but I'm guessing that's from the 90s as well. Oh, here's something really cool. We have a Masters of the Universe Modulok still in the box. Box has been opened, but we've got this from a meticulous collector. We'll double check that, but I'm guessing that this is complete. And I can see the little comic book and the instructions are in there. So that's going to be, I'm sure, a complete item for sale. Masters Universe, very, very popular. And I'm guessing that's mid-80s. This has been a very interesting box. We've got something called Double Dragon. And this is from 1993. Somebody named Trigger Happy. So we've got some, I'm pretty knowledgeable about a lot of toys, but some of these I've not seen before. We've got Double Dragon, Billy Lee, and Vortex as well. Oh, we have another Double Dragon in here. That's another Jimmy Lee. Is that a duplicate? No? Oh, one's Billy Lee, one's Jimmy Lee. Sorry. And we have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, Leonardo. And this is not a re-release, I don't believe. Nope, it is released 2008. So it's not the most recent re-release, but it is a re-release nonetheless. I'm guessing this Donatello is the same thing. Raphael. Let me guess. And Michelangelo. All from 2008, so we got those four main turtles. We've got Electronic Robocop by Orion from 1993. Mint on card, very nice card too. And we've got a G.I. Joe Star Brigade Starfighter. The box is in beautiful condition. There's a piece of masking tape on here. I would be surprised if that's been opened. That tape was probably just put on here to hold the flap down. Let's take a quick look at it. See if it's still in its baggie and everything. Interesting. It is, but there's also a whole bunch of G.I. Joe accessories and figures in here that are not original to this box. So I'm going to have to match those up. And put the vehicle, very nice, protected in here. So I'm going to have to work through those figures, and we go from there. Only one or two more things left in this bin. We've got a Ghost Rider, Spirits of Vengeance, Cycles and Riders. This is a Flame Glow Ghost Rider. Still looks like it's factory sealed. At least it's got a different wrapper on the outside. I'll have to double check that, but Ghost Rider is very cool. Yeah, we've got a couple more things in here actually. We've got a boxed Police Academy Crash Cycle. Looks like the cop goes flying over the handlebars. And this is from 1989. And then we've got another Captain Planet figure. And then we've got something in here. And it looks like we've got different card backs. We've got some Ninja Turtle card backs. And then we've got some Batman card backs. These are a newer Batman, 1991 vintage. And then we have another Real Ghostbusters card back, Egon. So we'll see what we can do with those. Anyway, again, all of these are going to be up for sale on our website, which is www.familylegacyestatesale.com. And keep watching our videos. And if you've got any questions, you can reach out to us through our website. We'll talk soon.